The standard atmosphere is an international reference pressure defined as 101,325 pascals and used as a unit of pressure. History: in 1954 the 10th CONFA copyright Runskar copyright Na copyright Rail des Poids et Mesures adopted standard atmosphere for general use and affirmed its definition of being precisely equal to 1,013,250 dynes per square centimetre. This value was intended to represent the mean atmospheric pressure at mean sea level at the latitude of Paris, France, and as a practical matter, truly reflects the mean sea level pressure for many of the industrialized nations. In chemistry, the original definition of a Euro-OE standard temperature and pressure Euro was a reference temperature of 0 degrees Celsius and pressure of 101.325 kilopascal. However, in 1982, the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry recommended that for the purposes of specifying the physical properties of substances, a Euro-OF standard pressure Euro should be defined as precisely 100 kilopascal, pressure units and equivalences. A pressure of 1 atm can also be stated as a per mil 1.01325 bar, a per mil 101,325 pascal or 101.325 kilopascal, a per mil 1013.25 millibars, a per mil 760 torr, b, a per mil 760.001 millimeters Hg, 0 degree Celsius, subject to revision as more precise measurements of mercury Euro unregistered trademark S density become available, b, c, a per mil 29.9213. In Hg, 0 degree Celsius, subject to revision as more precise measurements of mercury Euro unregistered trademark S density become available, c, a per mil 1.033 A227 A452 A799 A886 kg forces mass squared, a per mil 1.033 A227 A452 A799 A886 technical atmosphere, a per mil 1033.227 A452 A. 799 A886 kmar Euro H2O, 4 degrees Celsius, a per mil 406.782 A461 A732 A2385 INA Euro H2O, 4 degrees Celsius, a per mil 14.695 A948 A775 A5134 pounds force per square inch, a per mil 2116.216 A623 A. 673 A94 pounds force per square foot, equals 1 ATA. The ATA unit is used in place of ATM to indicate that the pressure shown is the total ambient pressure on the system being calculated or measured. For example, for underwater pressures a pressure of 3.1 ATA would mean that the 1 atmospheres of the air above water is included in this value. Notes: this is the customarily accepted value for kmar Euro H2O, 4 degrees Celsius. It is precisely the product of 1 kg force per square centimeter times 1.013 A25 divided by 0.980 A665. It is not accepted practice to define the value for water column based on a true physical realization of water. Also, this a Euro-OE physical realization a Euro would still ignore the 8.285 kmar Euro H2O reduction that would actually occur in a true physical realization due to the vapor pressure over water at 3.984 degrees Celsius, B2 and Hg, 0 degrees Celsius are often taken to be identical. For most practical purposes, they are interchangeable. CNIST value of 13.595 A078, 5. gram per milliliter assumed for the density of Hg at 0 degrees Celsius. Other applications, scuba divers and others use the word atmosphere and ATM in relation to pressures that are relative to mean atmospheric pressure at sea level. For example, a partial pressure of oxygen is calibrated typically using air at sea level, so is expressed in units of ATM. The old European unit technical atmosphere is roughly equal to the gauge pressure under 10 am of water. 1 at equals 98,066.5 APA. See also, Standard conditions for temperature and pressure, atmospheric pressure, bar, references.